Good morning. Good morning. I will discuss about quarter 1, module 1 of mathematics, which is about divisibility rules for 2, for 5, and 10. So, before we start, let us have key points that we should learn and we should remember. So, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng divisibility rules? So, ito po ay to easily identify if one number can be exactly divided by another number. So, kapag dinivide mo ang number sa isang number, kailangan ang makuha mong sagot ay buo, walang remainder. Next, divisible by. So, ito nga, when you divide one number by another number, the result is a whole number, meaning no remainder. Ang mga example ng whole numbers, a whole number is an exact number. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Hindi po 5.5, hindi 3.2, wala siyang remainder. Whole number, exact number. So kapag nag-divide tayo at ang nakuha nating sagot ay exact number, ibig sabihin, ito po ay divisible by the number. Factor. When number A is divisible by number B, the number B is a factor of number A. So let us start with divisibility rule for 2. So madali lang po yan. Ang gagawin po natin ay aalamin po natin ang divisibility ng numbers na hindi na po tayo kailangang mag-compute. So let us start divisibility rule for 2. Paano natin masasabi ng isang number ay divisible by 2? Simple lang. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends in even number. Ano nga ba yung mga even number na tinatawag? Yun po ay yung 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So titingnan lamang ang hulihan ng number. Kahit gaano kahaba, kahit milyon pa yung number na yan, titingnan nyo lang ang nasa dulo. Kung ang nasa dulo ay nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, ang number na iyon ay divisible by 2. So, example, 48. Look at the last digit of 48. 8. So, ito ay even number. So, ibig sabihin, the last digit is 8, thus 48 is divisible by 2. So pag dinivide po natin ang 48 divided by 2, ano po ba yung makukuhang sagot? 24. So exact 24, walang remainder. So ibig sabihin nga, 48 is divisible by 2. Okay. Look at these numbers. 100, 74, 18, 2002, 126. Are these number divisible by 2? Look at the last digit. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the answer? Okay, the answer is yes. The numbers are divisible by 2 because the last digits are even numbers, which are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Next one, divisibility rule for 5. So a number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. Titingnan lamang po ulit ang dulo. Kapag ang dulo ay nagtatapos sa 0 at sa 5, ito po ay divisible by 5. So, example, 80. Look at the last digit. So, the last digit is 0. Therefore, 80 is divisible by 5. Next one. Divisibility rule for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends only in 0. So, lahat ng number na nagtatapos sa 0, ito po ay divisible by 10. Example, 70. The last digit is 0. So, it is divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. So, may mapapansin po tayo. Divisible by 2, divisible by 5, divisible by 10. Lahat sila pwedeng nagtatapos sa 0. Okay, tingnan po muna natin to. Is 160 divisible by 10? Okay, kitang-kita naman, nagtatapos sa 0 ang 160. So, it is divisible by 10. Divisible din ba siya by 5? Yes, kasi nagtatapos din sa 0. Divisible ba siya by 2? Yes, kasi nagtatapos din siya sa 0. So, divisibility ay definitely yes because its last digit is 0. So, remember, ayan, meron silang pagkakapare-pareho. So, all numbers that ends in 0 are divisible by 2, by 5, and by 10. Next, all numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and by 5. If a number is divisible by 2, by 5, and 10, that number has a factor of 2, 5, and 10. So, challenge time. Direction. Put a check on the proper column if the following numbers are divisible by 2, 5, or 10. Remember, one number can be divisible by 2 or 3 numbers. So, I'm giving you 5 minutes, 2 minutes to answer. One minute na lang kaya kasi sobrang dali lang naman po nito. So, let us answer na. 100. Look at the last digit. Is it divisible by 2, by 5, or by 10? Ang last digit po ay 0. So, pare-parehong 0. So, ang 100 ay divisible by 2, by 5, and by 10. They are common. Next, 24. The last digit is 4. Okay? So, 24 is divisible by 2. Last, 35. Look at the last digit. Ang huling number ay 5. Okay. So, the answer is divisible by 5. Did you understand? Okay. Thank you.